On July 26, 2024, an officer in Palm Bay, Florida, was dispatched for what's known as a standby, a situation where police are present to prevent a domestic dispute when someone comes to pick up their belongings. The man at the address told the officer that there already had been a violent incident between him and his ex-girlfriend. According to him, she smashed glass bottles over his head, and police later found his blood on her knuckles. Despite that, he was the one arrested, and a no-contact order was put in place. Now, only days later, he says something else had happened. His car had been vandalized overnight. Windows shattered, the seats got open, dents across the body, and words like cheater and lil scratched deep into the paint. The damage was estimated at nearly $5,000. This is the full body-worn camera as the officer begins investigating what had happened, interviewing the victim, speaking with witnesses, and confronting the woman accused of doing it.
Yankee 4-4 uniform Yankee Romeo. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. You just need a standby to grab some stuff?
Yeah, just right down there with that gray Honda Civic on the side.
Okay. How much stuff are you thinking?
Not a lot. Most of my stuff is in my car, like I wasn't...
Oh, okay.
I think the only thing that should be inside is like a few things of clothes and my camera.
So like 15 minutes would be good, or?
Oh, not here.
Okay, good. Cool, man.
A couple minutes.
So what I'm doing is my partner is just going to go up to the residence, just let them know what's going to happen. Do you have a key, or?
No, they're there though.
Okay, that's good.
Her friend just drove by, and then they like left and then did like a weird like loop around and came back like in like 2 minutes.
Okay. 251, 203. Oh. You can just head straight to the residence and let them know. What was what happened? I wasn't on the call, so.
Oh, so, she essentially started hitting me, and then I had, like, started to defend myself. Her mom came out, and, like, you know how it works. Mom's gonna take the side of the daughter. Her mom, like, was holding me down, waiting for you guys to come, and, like, her daughter started, like, breaking fucking bottles on my fucking head. I had to go get a CAT scan.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah,
And they took you in?
Yeah.
Did you have injuries on?
Yeah, I had to get a CAT scan.
So what did
They said the only marks anywhere were on me, and there was my blood on her knuckles.
Huh.
Yeah, and they said like that she I guess like I don't know. But I got arrested for it, and then I was sitting in the back of the cop car and I was like, yo, like the handcuffs are kinda tight, and I put them in front of me, and then they're like, okay, you just added resisting, and I was like, damn, bro. Okay, that's kind of shitty, but...
Yeah, that, typically when they're behind your back, that means they're supposed to stay there, but...
I had already been, like, apprehended, like, I was in the car, so I didn't, like, know it was gonna be like that, but...
Yeah. Dang.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna wait for her to say, yeah, come on up, and then we'll just go grab your belongings and whatnot. But... I'm assuming you guys aren't gonna try and work anything out, right? You guys are separating?
Not to my knowledge.
Alright.
Don't really know how this is gonna play out.
Yeah.
Not quite yet.
Because you're 22?
I'm 23.
23?
Yeah.
I'm not much older, but I'm 28, but...
Oh, yeah.
You don't need that drama in your life, dude.
No, definitely not. So, I had also noticed, and I had heard, my car is, like, vandalized to fucking shit.
Is it?
Yes.
Here's the thing, can you prove that it was her or them?
The side of my car says cheater.
Okay. I can interview her on that and find out if she did the damage.
So all she has to say is no, though.
Really? I mean, I'm pretty good at articulating my words and stuff, so I can talk to her, I can investigate it.
Only because, like, I'm gonna, like, eventually, like, you guys are gonna have to walk up there and be like, man, like, you left your car here with no fucking windows, like...
The windows are broken out, too?
On the driver's side.
That's crazy. Okay. Yeah, I'll interview her a little bit, see if I can get her to admit, and then once I see what the damage is and stuff.
Yeah, I was like, I guess the 3 charges that I got were just not enough. I needed a fucked up car, too.
Yeah, that's not right. I understand being upset, but damaging somebody else's property like that?
Yeah, when I was the only one that got hurt.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll take a look at the car and stuff, and then what we'll do is, if she doesn't admit to it or whatever, then I'll stamp open a new report.
Okay.
And then file that
like
for
for
you.
insurance too is like.
Yeah, I'll file a report for you and stuff. What kind of car is it?
It's a 2018 Honda Civic Si.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A manual, of course, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was nice.
Yeah. That's really obnoxious, man.
Yeah. My buddy in the army bought it for me, like before I got out.
Oh yeah.
He deployed early, and he was like, "Here," he was like, "You're getting out soon." He was like, "Go ahead and," he was like, "Just go register and get it in your name." He was like, "You can have it." And I was like, "Okay." Give it to me with like
Dude.
20,000 miles.
That's a sweet deal. That's crazy. Yeah, I wish I had friends like that.
Yeah, that's what everybody says. I'm like, I don't actually know what he was thinking either, but like, good friend.
Yeah. Because those things, they don't depreciate in value. He probably could have just sold it pretty close to what he bought it for.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Dang.
Especially with like 20,000, it was like, it wasn't, everything was perfect on it. It has aftermarket exhaust and like a bunch of aftermarket stuff on it, and I was like, man, thank you. Sick.
He didn't want to kill himself or anything, did he?
No.
Because like usually when people, usually when people get rid of their belongings like that, it means something else is going on.
No, it's because he was going on deployment. He had to leave early, so he didn't want to deal with finding storage for it for the time being.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna lie, for some reason his family members were just dropping like flies. Like,
right.
So he was like getting a bunch of money from like insurance.
Oh, okay. Huh. Inheritance and stuff. Huh.
Yeah.
So we can head on up there now. Alright, yeah, I'll open up a new report for this. Your car was intact when you...
Yeah.
Did they put that trash bags up?
Yeah, I'm guessing I did.
My partner's in there, yeah.
The officer now proceeds to the woman's home. All footage inside the home have been blurred for privacy, but the audio remains unedited. Everything else in the video is shown fully visible and exactly as recorded.
Any of my clothes that are in here?
All your clothes should be Alright.
Hey, stranger.
Is that it? Oh, Mitchell.
What's up, man?
Oh, Lord. No.
Alright, so since I'm familiar with you...
No. Mitchell, no.
I knew I recognized him too, I think. Alright, so what happened with the car?
I don't know. I haven't been here.
You haven't been here? Okay, like, I understand you're frustrated, upset. Did something happen to the car?
Not that I know of. I really actually haven't been here. You can ask my roommate. I haven't been here in days.
Okay, when did the whole incident occur?
At least a week ago.
A week ago? Okay. And when was the last time you saw his car, like, intact?
The day of.
The day of? Okay. And when did you notice all that damage and stuff done to it?
When I came back a few days later.
A few days later?
Yeah. I think I went to spend the night at a friend's house like for a night or two.
Which friend?
I think.
Hey, pup.
Good boy. Good boy. I know I was out with my friend Trinity that night.
Trinity? Okay. So you stayed there for a couple of nights, came back, and you saw.
Well, we were kind of all over the place because there was a few nights like we went up to Titusville. There was a few nights we crashed at other people's houses. Like we were just all over.
Okay. Did you?
It's okay.
What friends did you tell about this incident?
A lot of people know about it. I don't
Okay.
even know who knows. who knows what.
Do you think that any of them would take it upon themselves to...
I don't know. I don't know how they feel about it. I know how I feel about it.
Somebody felt about it.
Yeah.
Clearly, because he didn't do that to his own car.
Sorry, there's a tortoise turning in. A tortoise? Oh, is it the little one? Oh my god, I feed him strawberries.
He's mainly concerned for insurance purposes.
Doesn't have insurance on the car.
Yeah, so that's why he's trying to figure out for the damage and stuff, how he's going to get all that repaired and cleaned up. So, if you know somebody who did that...
I genuinely don't know.
Okay. Not your roommate, not you.
Not me. I don't know, just because I know how some people feel about the situation because of what happened. I know some other people that feel certain ways about the situation because they have been with him or, you know, have dated him or whatever.
Okay.
It's okay. Coda.
Okay, so no idea who did it.
No.
Nobody said ha ha ha. You haven't seen anything on Snap?
I haven't seen anything on
Snap or Instagram? Hey, Paul. You're okay. Okay. What's your last name again?
Mine?
Yeah.
Owen.
Owen, that's right.
Coda, it's okay. It's okay, bud.
The officers took all your information and stuff when the incident occurred and whatnot? Okay. So, you're alright, pup. You're good dog.
Fine. I promise you're fine.
Okay. Was that all his stuff that he needed to get?
I think so. There shouldn't be anything else of his. He kept his clothes in his car. The few clothes that he did have in here, I threw back in his car because I just did. His camera was in here that I kept in here because I didn't want to be out in his car in case somebody tried to get into it or anything. And I think that's pretty much it. I don't think he has too much. He didn't come here with too much stuff. So.
Okay. Alright, sounds good. I'm going to go talk to him. What's your phone number? If anybody tells you anything about that, can you please just give the police department a call?
Yeah.
Because regardless of what happened, everybody gets upset in the moment. I have my share of acting out as well. I wouldn't do that, but I mean, I can understand. So, I mean, the main concern is getting it fixed.
Yeah.
I don't think he wants to press criminal charges or anything. That's definitely criminal damage. But I don't think he's concerned about that. The main thing is just getting the repairs and stuff. So if you find out anybody took it upon themselves to defend your honor or whatever it was,
Yeah.
just call the police department. I'll have a report number for it. Okay? All right. Can you do me a favor? Just raise your right hand. You swear everything you told me today is the truth?
Yes.
You understand a false statement to the police is a crime?
Yes.
All right. Sounds good.
I know, Mitchell.
All righty. Well, I think if that's it, then I'll won't see you for today. But I'm sure I'll see you around. All right.
I'm like, maybe we could at least shut it up, but you know what I mean? It didn't end up happening, so it went off for a while. But
For the car?
Yep. Yeah.
And I'm guessing she already asked if you saw anybody who was smashing it up?
I mean, I didn't see what happened, but like I told her, I came out because they obviously had their altercation that morning. My dog was going crazy. It was waking my kids up, so I saw her outside crying. And I went out and I was just like, hey, like, are you okay? And she had mentioned that she needed to get stuff out of the car. So I was just like, well, you know, when he gets out of jail, you know, they'll come, the cops will come and let you get your stuff out of his car, let him get his stuff out of your house, because I've seen that situation happen before. And then I went back in the house, and not 10 minutes later, I start hearing the alarm go off. So, you know.
He was gone, though, at that
He
point?
was gone,
he was
arrested?
Arrested, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I didn't watch it happen, but I just kind of heard the aftermath.
Were you hearing, like crashing, or, like,
I mean,
banging, or
I
just
was
the
in the house, you know.
just mainly the car alarm?
My dogs were going absolutely nuts, so the only thing I really heard was the alarm start going off. But I will say that I did come out. I don't smoke in the house. I was outside, and she was talking to one of her friends. I'm not sure, but she was on the phone, and she was talking about how she carved up, you know, keyed the car, like cheater in one side and liar in the other. I don't know. I didn't look at the car, but that's what she was saying that she did.
On the phone.
I heard her talking about it, but I didn't watch her actually do it.
Okay. Did you notice any damage or anything at that point?
Yeah, it's obviously I saw it. You know,
Okay.
I didn't watch her do it. Yeah.
So the same day that he got arrested.
Within like an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Probably less.
Maybe
All
less.
right. That tells me.
I just made it to work when you called me.
Yeah, and I have her mom's number, so I called her mom and just let her know, like, hey, I didn't see it happen, but, you know, when you come home so you're not blindsided, that happened. You know what I mean?
You can press charges and put her in jail, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just need probable cause. I don't know if her talking on the phone.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of sounds like probable cause, but I gotta ask some more questions first. But yeah, definitely. That's criminal mission.
That was it.
Thunk in a car.
Yeah, because I was in the house and I heard the dogs.
And she was the only one outside. You didn't notice anybody else.
I don't know. She
Kids running through this place.
Yeah,
I know.
She's got all kinds of friends. She had another friend with her that morning. I don't know his name, and I don't know if he was present for it,
Okay.
or if he helped her with it at all. So
Okay.
I can't speak to that, unfortunately. But she did have someone else.
Sounds good. Do you have a driver's license on you, or
yeah,
maybe
let me-
I could just do your social instead, if you know that, or.
I mean, either way, yeah.
Okay.
It's two.
Vincent. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry I can't be more help.
No,
the
that's all right.
cop after, because like he got arrested, and the cop came by shortly after. She said that she came and knocked on the door and asked if I'd seen him. I told her much of the same. We have a Ring doorbell. It didn't have batteries that morning, and after she left, of course, I replaced them.
Yeah.
Because you know so much stuff had happened. It was like maybe I should do that.
Yeah. Right.
You know, but yeah, it was a little.
Could you just raise your right hand?
Yeah.
You swear what you told me today is the truth,
Yeah, I swear.
to the best of your knowledge,
Yes.
and then you understand a false statement to the police is a crime.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Cool. Appreciate you guys. Okay. So, pretty sure it was her. But she's saying no, it wasn't her. She doesn't know her, like, any of her friends that would take it upon themselves to do this. She didn't ask anybody to do it. Nobody's posted on Snap or Insta or anything to say, yeah, we did this. Neighbor says she heard a conversation though, on the phone, saying what she did.
Okay.
So, do you want to press criminal charges?
Yes.
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 Okay. And so when was the last time you saw your car intact?
The night I got arrested. The night.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when you came back, when did you see it was all beat up? Today? Okay. And how much do you think this damage is?
So I did like a quote on just the windows alone. It was $942 through SafeLight.
942? Okay.
Yeah, I believe so. And the paint alone, the reason these dents, because the back two dents, I got hit like when I immediately got the car. Like I will not put that on her.
Okay.
To say the least. But that's been like that because paint is fucking expensive.
So this as well is new?
Yes.
And all the scratching?
Yeah, I promise I didn't write little dick across my head.
Yep. That fender popped off?
Oh, that's
So, okay. So, 2 broken windows, scratched up cheater on the side. I'd say for probably for the trash bags.
Oh, gotcha.
my seats are cut up.
Seats are cut up. Those seats are expensive.
Yeah, they are.
Alright. Was anything stolen out of your car?
No, I don't really keep anything in here. I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe my jumper cables, but
Okay.
What's on for?
251. Standby complete. You can show us 10-8, but can you stamp a signal 34 for this same location?
Is your on the tag?
Not yet.
I'll do it.
Do you have insurance on the car?
no.
Okay. That's what, yeah. So, the damage on the back here, the dents in there and everything?
The only thing, like, this is me. Well, it's not really me.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's like an identical one right here.
Okay. And this scratch across the back?
Not me.
What about the dents on the roof?
Nah.
Not you. Would you say 5,000 damage total?
Probably close to. What would you say?
That's what I'm thinking. Around 5,000 for dent, paint correction, windows, all those scratches for like paint match and stuff. I know that dealerships will charge a lot. What I'll have you do is the phone number that you called in on, is that yours?
That's my stepmom's. My phone's not in service right now.
Okay, so but you could be contacted at that? Okay. And then as far as what I would do, I'm going to get you my business card.
Okay.
I would go to a collision repair place, maybe even the Honda dealership themselves, just because they have the exact paint and stuff, and get a quote for all the repairs, have them exclude the damage that was already there.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go back in there real quick and talk to her again.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go from there, okay?
Okay.
Give me a sec.
He's willing to pay for it. He's willing to drop the price.
Okay.
Just so you know.
All right. Yeah.
Hi, Mitchell.
All right, Miss Owen. I got some more questions for you.
Yes, Mitchell.
So, after he got arrested, how long were you here at the house for?
Maybe a few hours at most.
Okay. Were you on the phone at any time?
Yeah.
Okay. And how did that conversation go?
I think it was just when Trinity had called me. I told her about the situation, about what happened. I was talking to her about it. What else? She was telling me she was gonna come pick me up.
Did you tell her I scratched cheater on the side of the car? No.
No.
Did you notice anybody else around the neighborhood listening to your conversation? Because I'm just trying to figure out why somebody would tell me that that's what they heard you say to your friend on the phone. After hearing a bang on the car and the car alarm going off for hours, or however long, I don't know how long. And then they see you on the phone, talking to your friend, upset, crying, and then you tell them, yeah,
she told me I should have. She told me I should have, but...
Should have done that? So, was it possibly Trinity?
I don't think she would do that. She has, like...
So who else was here at the residence after he got taken away from jail?
It was me and Vic, my
You
friend.
and Vic? Okay. Did Vic do any of it? Did Vic do it? It was a guy or a girl?
Vic's a guy.
Okay.
No, he didn't do anything with the car.
Okay. So, nothing along the lines of you being on the phone saying, yes, I scratched up the car, I keyed the car, wrote cheater. It's kind of cut and dry. Like, they're saying, you were on the phone, I said, yeah, I scratched cheater onto the side of the car.
No, I was on the phone with Trinity, and she was telling me I should.
Were you on speakerphone?
Yeah.
Okay. So
My phone, when I try to listen to it, it cuts out, so I always have my phone on speaker.
I do the same thing. Okay, so they might have heard Trinity saying you should scratch cheater onto the side, and it didn't come from your mouth saying I'm going to, or I want to, or anything like that.
No,
Okay.
She said I should, or should have, or should have done this, or I should have done this in my relationship.
Okay.
She was also telling me I should have dropped him way before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people like to... Was she telling you that before this or after?
A little bit before.
Yeah. People like to wait until after everything blows up to be like, oh yeah, you should have done this, should have done that.
Yeah, She'll say it a little bit here and there, but she's definitely somebody that's like, you should have left him way before.
Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. He wants to pursue criminal charges. Unless whoever is responsible is willing to assist him with paying for the damages caused, whatever the quote is. So what I'm going to have to do at this point, since you're saying no, it wasn't you, what I have with the witness statement, with his statement, with you being here for a couple hours after, and that's the time frame for when the damage was caused, you're going to be the suspect. So I'm not going to physically take you to jail. I'm not going to put you in cuffs and drive you up there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be filing what's called a capias. It goes to the state attorney's office. I put in all the details, and then they're going to review it, and they'll determine if there's probable cause. So we can do that, and you can roll the dice if it was you. I'm not saying it was.
Or basically I can offer to pay for the damages.
Yeah. Because this is a significant amount of damage. And it's, I don't know what the number is, but when it gets above a certain amount, it becomes a felony.
I know. You should know, I know.
I know. So I don't know if you've had any felonies already, but
No,
I don't think you have.
Cleared since I've been 18.
Yeah. And you do understand when you get arrested for another crime, they reevaluate your juvenile charges and everything if it's within 5 years.
I've only been on probation a year.
So.
Since it's on my property, I guess I'll pay for them.
Yeah.
Or at least help them. I can't do everything. I don't have a job right now.
Okay.
So it's not going to be, I hope they understand it's not going to be something that's going to be like a tomorrow type of thing. I am looking actively for a job.
I got you. Yeah, and I'm sure you'll get one. You have a vehicle?
Nope.
You got a bike?
I got my 2 feet and a couple friends. I'll give you rides to work.
I'm saying that McDonald's, it's not a lavish lifestyle, but for a time being, they're paying $15.50 an hour.
They actually won't hire me. I've applied there quite a few times.
Try again. Squeaky wheel gets the oil. You know? And then you go pester them. Hey, what can I do different? What do you want to see? What can I do?
Yeah.
They'll give you a job. They need people.
They always need people.
So.
Everybody in there's always high.
All right. So I'm going to go talk to him again. You're saying you are willing to help him pay.
I can't.
When it's feasible for you.
Yes, when it's like, like I said, I am actively looking for a job when it is feasible for me.
Okay.
Just understand that I financially cannot afford all of it.
Yeah, I got you. All right, I'll go talk to him again then. If you want to just hang out, I'll come back with the verdict. Okay.
So I got 10,000, and then every year you're in, they break it up into.
Alrighty, man. So here's what I got. With everything everything the neighbor has said, the time frame of the damage and all of that, it all points to her.
Yeah.
Okay. She's still saying it wasn't her.
Yeah.
So here's the options. She said since it was on her property, technically she should have been watching after it and stuff. She's willing to assist you with paying for the damages. But she doesn't have a job right now. She doesn't know when that can occur.
Okay.
So the options are you go into a civil agreement with her to help you pay for the damages and whatnot.
Okay.
Or, here, let me just finish up real quick. Or what I'll do is I will take all of my investigation, put it into a report, and I'll send it up to the state attorney's office.
Let's do that.
And then they're going to read it and say, yes, there's probable cause, or no, there's not probable cause, and then she's just off the hook.
Yeah, let's do that.
You want to do that part? Okay. So you want me to just tell her, forget about trying to pay for it? And
it wouldn't be such a problem if there wasn't a no contact order in play.
Yeah.
There's that.
That's true.
I need this car to get to my jobs.
Yep.
So that's like, and also I live in an HOA. I can't have little dick written across my fucking hood.
Yeah. For a temporary fix, I know that they sell like touch-up
Markers.
paint markers. Yeah. It might fix that. Might still be obvious though with the.
Yeah.
But a good buff of that might take it all out.
You gotta get the paint redone anyway, so.
Yeah, I mean they don't feel too deep, honestly. But
Nah,
the
they
damage.
didn't.
So you might be able to just buff it out for the time being, and then get the paint refixed and everything, color corrected and whatnot. So, all right. So you want to do the second option then?
Yeah.
Okay. Based on there's a no contact order, that makes a lot more sense. Sorry, I wasn't taking that into consideration, but
I was wondering, I was like, how are they gonna facilitate that?
Yeah.
I can't even talk to her.
yeah. So thank you for bringing that to my attention. So I'll do the latter. I'll get you a report number in just a sec. All right. So here's my card number. On the back is the report number right there.
Okay, thank you.
When you get the quote, you could either email it to me on that email, or maybe just snap a photo and send it, text message, and then I'll update the report with that.
Sick.
Right now, I'll just do the approximate value of the damage and stuff. Okay. So. All right.
Taking this card today? Yeah. Okay.
All right, man. And then just.
Well, yeah, because I was only granted one visit here, so.
Yes.
I'm just gonna have you raise your right hand again. You swear everything you told me today is the truth?
Yes.
And you understand a false statement to the police is a crime?
Yes.
Cool. Sounds good. Alright, so the paying for stuff, that's not going to work because you guys have a no contact order. So you can't call him, text him, he can't
What
call
about
you.
his parents?
No. It can't be any form of communication, like even using somebody else to communicate.
Okay, well,
So-
is there a way to get the contact order lifted?
Yeah, I mean, you can contact the judge and stuff like that. But for right now, I'm just gonna file it up. I don't think it meets the felony one. And state attorneys might just look at it and say, this is improbable cause.
Okay.
So I wouldn't sweat it. Here's the card. My information on the back is the report number.
Alright.
What's his name?
Charlie.
Hey, Charlie. One second, okay? You have any questions for me?
How do I go about getting the court order lifted?
The state attorney should contact you shortly, or reach out to.
Okay, because
If you look
I
at,
ended up dropping the charges.
oh, you did.
Yeah.
But so whoever contacted you for that, you can call them again as well. So I mean, if you drop the charges, the no contact order is going to lift, anyways.
Okay, so when I do the seminar thing that I have to do, that's when it's gonna lift.
Yeah, I think so. And then
Alright,
just
so the 31st.
okay. Yeah, and then you can just let them know that due to whatever you want the no contact order lifted. So I just would still not try to do a relationship. Stay separate. Can you raise your right hand for me again?
Yeah.
You swear everything additionally that you told me is the truth?
The whole truth and nothing but the truth, yes.
And a false statement to the police is a
Yes,
crime?
I know.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'll see you later, okay? Bye. Alright, one last thing is, do you know what Marcy's Law is?
Now, what's that?
So essentially it's to protect victims from their perpetrator finding out who they are. Because all the information is public record, essentially.
Okay.
So this is more to protect people the suspect doesn't know the victim.
Okay.
It's just, you can enact it if you want. Okay. So that way your information, like your address and stuff, will be redacted. But
Oh, okay. It still comes up on a background check with the same things, though? Like
Yeah.
for jobs?
yeah.
Okay, I'm alright with that.
Okay.
Thank you for that, though.
All right, man.
I'm good?
Yep. Drive safe. You need insurance on the car.
I can get that.
All right. Did you say 10-4? Okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Alright.
Well-
I know you're not here.
Yeah.
It's her thing, but
Yeah.
you're good. Do you have any questions for us?
He's can't go back to the house. We'll double check that he's trespassed and make sure that if not, that you'll have to let him know.
They would have trespassed him that day. I'll double check the notes.
they trespassed him that day. I just want
Okay.
to make sure that's still
Yeah.
Okay. And he still has the no contact order in place.
okay.
As far as
So-
I know, he just got out.
Not too long ago.
Yesterday. So I don't know.
Yesterday.
That's what they said is. Oh, he got out 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, he got out about 2 weeks ago.
All right.
Yeah,
Neither
they
here nor
said,
there.
I signed myself up for an alert when he was released.
Which
so
is
sent
good.
that.
Did they call you when he was released?
A few days before, they called me when his bail got paid, not when he got released.
Yeah, and then I got that message, that text message they set up for, and they told me it was like the 10th. Okay.
Alrighty, guys.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
See ya.
3 days later, 18-year-old Elena Owen was charged with felony criminal mischief for the estimated $5,000 damage. She later posted bond and the no-contact order remained in place. Cases like this typically move to standard felony proceedings, often ending in restitution, probation, or plea agreement rather than a full trial. As of this recording, no final judgment has been publicly reported. What do you think should happen in a case like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching this case on Crime Tales TV. On this channel, we bring you real stories through bodycam footage, 911 calls, and courtroom moments. Subscribe if you want to follow more true crime cases, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. And if you made it all the way to the end screen, make sure to check out one of these videos on your screen. YouTube thinks you will love them.